Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can use select to speak option in your Redmi smartphone, how you can use this feature. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the settings option, go to additional settings, and friends here it is the accessibility feature. You can see this feature, just click on it, and here you have to go to visions. Friend, here it is a select to speak option. Click on it and enable this like this and allow this. And friends, you can see this shortcut blue button, and how you can use I show you. If you want to read articles on Google, then you have to click on this and it will auto rotate auto, you can see it is auto speak for you. You can see it is speaking itself. If you want to stop this, then click on this, it will pause, and if you want to remove this, then click on this red icon, it will be removed. And if you want to just off this feature, then you can do this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.